Welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are staying safe, doing well, maintaining social distancing and wearing a mask.
Today we are not going on a trip, but we are doing something very special. We are going to one of our friends' place who is one of the best makeup artists in Bangalore for a shoot. Guess who is the model? It's none other than me! And the photographer, yes, you all have guessed it correct, it's him! So, stay tuned and come along with us.
The shooting itinerary was for 2 days and the theme was Devi photo shoot as we were nearing the festivities of Durga Puja and Kali Puja. Day 1 was scheduled indoor with a few quick outdoor shots, while day 2 was planned for outdoor, entirely using natural light. The first few shots were concept shots showing hands of Parvati and Shiva, which were decorated beautifully by Raj. The next one involved a lengthy makeup process and change of costumes. The look was again conceptualized by Raj and can be called as Devi Durga with a girl next door look. It involved a garland as a prop which was handmade by Raj. We got some really good shots by blowing wind towards the hair using multiple hair dryers. Mobile's flashlight was used behind the background to create a halo around the head. Next, the last one was the most challenging of the day for all the three: the makeup artist, the model, and the photographer. Yes, it's the Kali Ma look. I was painted black all over my face with beautifully drawn eyes in red. The third eye was created using plaster of Paris with perfection and was attached on the forehead. Was adorned with jewelry. We started shooting with a black background, eventually found golden to be more appropriate. The rugged texture along with the golden color of the background gave a flaming feel, displaying the vigor of the goddess. Next day was an early morning call. We wanted to reach the location so that the crowd is less, along with any unwanted fuss. Half of the makeup was done at home, the eyes were drawn, the costume was changed, and then we were ready to go to the location. We drove around 70 kilometers towards the north of Bangalore and reached the location. A very scenic place with an old temple at the backdrop. However, we did not require the temple in our shots, so we found a comfortable area with some rocky boulders around. Now coming to the look of the Devi Durga. It was very interesting concept where Durga is half covered with mud and another half is clean in white sari and white jewelries. From centuries in Bengal, Durga Pratima is being made from the mud of river Ganga, and at Dashami, the last day of the festival, Durga goes back into the river and becomes mud again as a cycle. This look depicted the scene. Now the entire headgear, what you see here in white, is supposed to be made out of shola, or in Bengal it's called Dakir Shaj. But unfortunately, Raj couldn't find it in Bangalore. So she had made it using thermocol plates. Unbelievable creativity. Well done, Raj. While shooting, we faced few challenges, like the wind was dismantling the headgear. So Raj decided to sit back and held it with her hands. You won't see her anyway, as it was beautifully edited out by the photographer. We tried to get the perfect shots quickly without much experimenting as it was outdoor. That's the wrap after 2 days of tiring efforts. Hope you like the photos we got and the behind the scenes video. Please subscribe to our channel if not already done and hit the bell icon to get notifications. Bye bye for now and see you soon.